Good evening. Good evening, dear students of College of Arabic and Islamic Studies. Today we will be learning in short and easy form how to describe or how to present or how to understand parts of speech. You all know that the basic foundation of English grammar is about understanding parts of speech. What do you mean by parts of speech? Parts of speech is nothing but utilization or classification of words in English language in different categories. Here, you will be classifying words of English language as per their presentations. If you find any name in a sentence of English, then you call it as a noun, as field, fountain, street, town, dog, cat, all these are names. So any name if you can find while you write in English language, then that name is nothing but a noun. Similarly, after noun, you have, what do you mean by a pronoun? If you use any name instead of noun, in the place of noun, if you're using any other word, then that word is called pronoun, as he, she, they, it, them, all these are pronouns. Adjectives. If anything is described, then that description of a thing is nothing but adjective, as magic, wands, or Bridal's ring. All these are adjectives. Description of a word. If any word in English language describes something, excuse me, any word that describes anything in English language, then it is called as adjective. Come down to the most important word in English language is verb. Verbs are nothing but action words or words that are done, something is done. Okay, example, read, write, jump, run, play. All these are verbs. Verb is very important. Very, very important thing in a sentence. In almost every sentence you can find verb. Okay? Verb is nothing but an action word that describes the action of a noun. Clear? Now come down to the other part of speech, which is adverb. Adverbs are nothing but they tell how things are done. Clear? How things are done, the adverb tells us quickly, slowly, badly, well done. How are you reading? You are reading very quickly. You are reading very badly. You are walking very fast. All these are adverbs. Now come down to the next part of speech, preposition. Preposition is nothing but it gives you or it shows you the relation between the noun and you. As in the street or at the station. Relation between the noun. Yeah. In, at, on, under. All these are prepositions. After verb, the second important part of speech is preposition. Conjunctions, join in many ways sentences or words or phrases. Clear? Conjunction joins two sentences. Okay, and or The interjunction is sudden feeling, an exclamatory feeling. An exclamatory point in part of speech is called interjunction. So this is the easy and shortest way to remember part of speech. Okay. Now let us do this small thing about nouns. What do you mean by a noun? As I told you, noun is nothing but the naming of any word inside the English writing. If you can see any name in the English language sentence, then that name is nothing but it is called a noun. Now, there are two different types of nouns. What are those? Common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are nothing but words that are used for people, animal, place, or things. Okay. These are for people like actor, lawyer, artist, man, nurse, judge, policeman. All these are astronauts, clown. All these are common noun for people. Okay. Look at this. Zebra. You can't call zebra to any other animal except zebra itself. So this is specifically common for such type of animals: eagle, bird, crocodile, cat, dog, horse, mouse, parrot, shark, fish, beer. All these are common. Same way, common noun for places: beach, park, shop, library, grocery shop, supermarket, school, restaurant, playground, market, mall. All these are common nouns for places. And common nouns for thing: bed, cake, drum, blanket, can, chair, radio, television, cup, truck. All these are common nouns for things. Now, let us do this exercise. Underline the common noun in these sentences. If you have a pen or something with you, you can see on the screen common nouns. You can just underline or take the picture of this and write the common noun. Later on, you can review this video and check on it. These are little birds in the garden. Okay. What are the common nouns here? Bird and garden. Clear? Likewise, who is your teacher? Teacher is a common noun. Don't eat the rotten apple. Apple is a common noun. Cat has a lovely doll. Cat. Likewise, you can easily underline them. And here are some mixed. Here's a mixed bag of words. Put each word under its correct heading. You need to put each word like people. Among these, who are the peoples? The names: barber, clown. Okay. All these are people. Likewise, animal: fox, snail, camel. Places. What are the places here? Mountains or hotel. All these things. What are the things here? Fire engine, letters, flag, river. River is in place. You can't write it in things. So likewise, you need to do this. It's a small exercise. Clear? Now let us come to proper noun. What do you mean by proper noun? Proper noun are names of particular people or particular places or particular things that you can't give it to any other. Okay? They always begin with a capital letter. Clear? Like Umar. I can't call myself as Umar because I have a specific proper name given by my parents. Okay, I can't take any other's name and say I am this. No. Santa Claus. I can't call anybody as Santa Claus except the person who is dressing in the specific dress. So a proper noun is a noun that is particularly for the specific people, specific place, specific thing, or specific animals. Let us take some names of countries, and the people are also proper noun. Americans. I can't be called as an American. I can be called as an Indian. Okay. Egyptian, Italian, Thai, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Filipino, Pakistan. The names of the countries and the people of those countries now here. Those people whose nationality is America, they are called as American. Our nationality is India. Our country is India. Our nationality is Indian. We are called as Indians, yeah? Similarly, the people who live in Japan and their nationality is Japanese, they are called as Japanese people. France, French. Thailand, Thai. Malaysia, Malaysians. Korea, Koreans. Italy, Italians. Egypt, Egyptians. Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabians. United Arab Emirates, Emirati. Bahraini, Kuwaiti, Qatari. All such type of people. Okay. Iranian, the people who belong to Iran. Africa, African. Clear? Morocco, Moroccan. All these are proper noun. Those people belong to those countries. The names of towns, cities, and buildings and landmarks as names of places. Names of places in proper noun. Hong Kong, Egypt, Great Wall of China, Statue of Liberty, Tokyo, Mecca Masjid, Sydney, New Delhi. Clear? Bangkok, London, New York, all these are places. Jami Nizamia. There is no other Jami Nizamia except the Jami Nizamia which you have in Hyderabad, India. Clear? So all the places with proper noun are this. Then you have proper noun for things. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So these are all proper nouns. Similarly, proper nouns of places, Mount Everest, Thames, Niagara Falls, Himalaya, Yellow River, all these are mountains. Now, here you need to understand one thing, that proper noun means specifically for that particular thing. Common means it's common for all. Clear? So that you need to understand. Lawyer is a common noun. But Uncle Mike, Mike is a proper noun. Clear? Tuesday is proper noun. Holiday is common noun. Clear? So likewise you need to differentiate between common noun and proper noun. I hope you have understood this. Stay connected to the next. See you all in the next video with more grammar part and some of the examination point of view questionnaires. Try and solve and stay connected to this page. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.